Platform independence. Java programs can run on any device or operating system that has a Java Virtual Machine, JVM. This means you can write code once and run it anywhere without needing to rewrite it for each specific platform. Object-oriented. Java is based on the concept of objects, which are instances of classes. This approach allows for modular and reusable code, making it easier to manage and maintain large software projects. Robust and secure. Java is designed to catch errors during compilation and runtime, making it more robust and less prone to crashes. It also has built-in security features to protect against viruses and other malicious attacks. Simple and familiar syntax. Java syntax is similar to other programming languages like C++ and C#, making it relatively easy to learn for developers who are already familiar with those languages. Its syntax is also designed to be simple and straightforward, which helps in writing and understanding code. Automatic memory management. Java manages memory automatically, meaning developers don't need to explicitly allocate and deallocate memory. This helps prevent memory leaks and makes the development process more efficient. Multithreading. Java supports multithreading, allowing programs to perform multiple tasks simultaneously. This is useful for applications that require handling multiple tasks concurrently, such as web servers or graphical user interfaces. Rich standard library. Java comes with a comprehensive standard library that provides ready-to-use classes and methods for common programming tasks. This saves developers time and effort by providing pre-built solutions for many common problems. High performance. While Java is often criticized for being slower than some other languages like C or C++, modern Java implementations have made significant improvements in performance. Additionally, Java's just-in-time (JIT) compilation can optimize code at runtime for better performance. These are just some of the key features that make Java a popular choice for software development.